Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a hungry man's breakfast, nice and hearty. So come on with me, guys. Now I'm going to start out with the sausage. I love the round patties. And so this one is maple flavor. I was so happy to see it at Walmart. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and fry that and then continue moving on with what I'm going to do. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now hosting Quick and Easy Meals is myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. My main channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Hosting with me is Jean Home Decor and more. And Debbie Bubbles. And occasionally we do have my Mountain Home and Kitchen. Now make sure and join us with Quick and Easy Meals because pretty much you can make anything that you want. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, grilling, even when you go out to buy takeout. And so I would love to have you. Make sure and use the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals 25 so that this way I can pick up your video and add it to the playlist. So now while I was frying these patties, I could not help myself. I had to go get some butter. So in the pan, we have some butter and those are frying up nice and well. I am going to be using sliced cheese, the deluxe American cheese, when I make this hearty sandwich, and I'm going to be using some Italian bread. So this is going to be a nice sandwich, guys. Now those sausage patties are all done. I am going to go ahead and just put all of the eggs in there because I'm having a sandwich too. I'm only showing you the one that I'm giving my son because I make mine so different. Now, one thing I have to say, I cannot believe how tasty those sausage patties are in that maple flavor. They are delicious, guys. You have to buy them. Now let's start putting this together. This is going to be so delicious, and it's supposed to help us stay full all day because we're going to be out shopping all day. Now, I have to say, we don't really eat like this all week. As a matter of fact, we eat very little all week. And then, so we're kind of splurging today, guys. It is Sunday and we want to be full, and this is absolutely delicious. Now I'm getting ready to go ahead and cut this sandwich in half, and we're going to head on over to the reveal so that you can take a closer look. So there's nothing more delicious and filling than a homemade meal. And so this is quick and easy, and it was absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.